Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you some simple ways to fix Spotify if it is not working properly on your Windows PC. First, make sure your internet connection is working correctly. Open your web browser and try visiting a website to confirm that you are connected to the internet. Now, open the Spotify desktop application. If Spotify is not responding properly, the first thing you can try is closing Spotify and opening it again. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Here, you can check the Spotify update status. If you see you're updated, it means your Spotify application is already up to date. So there is no update required at the moment. Now close Spotify completely and open it again. After restarting the application, check whether Spotify is working normally. You can also try playing a song to make sure that Spotify is connecting properly and playing audio. If the song starts playing normally, the problem may have been temporary. Another important thing to check is your internet connection. If your internet is slow or disconnected, Spotify may not load properly or play music. You can also check your Windows sound output. If Spotify is playing a song, but you cannot hear any sound, make sure the correct speaker or audio device is selected and that the volume is turned up. If Spotify still does not work, you can restart your Windows PC and then open Spotify again. In many cases, restarting the application or the computer can fix temporary problems. For this tutorial, we are not uninstalling Spotify. We are simply checking the update status, restarting the application, and checking the internet and audio connection. And that's how you can troubleshoot Spotify when it is not working properly on your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more Spotify tutorials.